Hey guys, recently we came across of different viral videos on TikTok and other social media videos like these ones that depict different keyboard types like peanuts, chocolate, chicken, honey, and so on. So you can actually create all these videos to get millions of views literally on different social media platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and so on. And for sure, it's only by using AI. And here, if you want to get my honest advice, if you want to go with the flow in this niche like SMR art, it's okay, but don't copycat this style or making these such videos about keywords. So you can go beyond this one and outrank people. Like you can create different styles like ladders, pens, jars, cups, and so on, and in the same style and in the same satisfying mood. Anyway, to create these such beautiful videos as you see in TikTok, for example, you have two different options. Either you can go for paid tools like FreePic, Kling.ai, Minimax. That's better for you, just you can create your image and convert these images to beautiful videos along with amazing and compatible sound effects. But if you want to go for free tools, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create these such viral stunning videos through the free way. And now let's begin our today's video just here on TikTok by picking one of these beautiful videos like this one, for example. And now we can take a screenshot of any moment of this video by using any screenshot tool you prefer. Okay, and now we are gonna use this image to get the exact prompt to create these such beautiful images using any AI tool like ChatGPT, Grok.com, Gemini, and so on. And here in our today's video, I just gonna go to Grok.com and upload here your image to get the exact prompt to create these such amazing images. Like you can give me like this one, for example, a close-up of hands with pink nails decorated with white daisy designs, typing on a keyboard made of chocolate. And for sure you can add something in the beginning like POV or first perspective. So just you can get this one, okay, copy, and for sure you can actually generate your images here also on Grok.com, or you can go to ChatGPT to make more polished prompt to create these such images. So now we can head over to ChatGPT in the second step, and here we can make this prompt get a better prompt. And here in just a few seconds here it gives you the more professional prompt as you observe. Okay, perfect. And now we can get this amazing prompt, and now we can head over to the second step by generating these beautiful images. And for sure you can use any AI image generator as you like Leonardo, Midjourney, Ideogram, and so on. Or you can go to this one, pickleoman.com or recraft.ai. It's for sure it's an amazing website, by the way. Here you can generate your images completely for free and with beautiful and stunning outputs like this one. Here you can insert your prompt like this example, and insert in the beginning, as I said earlier, this POV of typing on a rich brown chocolate keyboard with a glossy melted texture and so on. And you can find this amazing result as you see. So here if you prefer this one, just you can click over this one and export as PNG or JPG. And as I told you earlier, it's better for you to go beyond and out of the box here just by changing and shifting this keyboard art to different thing else. Like you can create some cups of made of different types of like strawberry, chocolate, peanut butter, and honey, and so on, or pens or book pages, and so on and so forth. So here you can create different materials around us made of these beautiful things we love so much. So here, for example, if you want to get different ideas, so get them from ChatGPT as well. Like for example, give me different ideas, give me, and then it gives you different amazing materials like cup keepers, ladder, catwalk, lipstick, compact mirror, planets, make, and so forth. So anyway, just you can go beyond this amazing niche. And here you can go together to the second step by converting these images to beautiful video. For sure, you can find different out there AI tools to convert image to video, and for sure, just leave down below in the description box in the first comment an amazing list of these free tools, including djin.ai and so on. And for sure, one of the most recent one that is vhere.com. It's a beautiful website, and for sure just talked about this one in detail previously. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first to come. And as for converting your images to video, head over to this section that says image to video, and you generate video from image and upload your images that you got from Journey or Recraft and so forth. So upload your image here. And here on vhere.com, sometimes you can find this tool generates this basic image prompts or the description of this image. But it's easily just you can insert here this prompt that you can got from ChatGPT itself and make this dynamic actions. And here, for example, and copy and go back to our tool vhere.com and insert here in this video prompts, Control V. Perfect. And typing on the chocolate keyboard, okay, and generate your video. And for sure, I just tried some samples of these videos like this one, as you see. Perfect. And for sure you can make some errors and trials to get the best one that you can depend on to publish this video or video clip on social media. And now just you can get this idea and this method how you can create these such video clips. And now it's time how to can get these sound effects to add this amazing satisfying effect on this ASMR style. Here you can find different ways to get these sound effects. For sure, pixipay.com, here you can find a huge section of sound effects. So you can type something like chocolate or honey dripping or choke or paper, typing keyboard and so on. So you can get tens of these amazing sound effects. Or you can head over to this website that is myedit.online. Here it gives you plenty of these sound effects using AI. Just you can insert some examples like typing on honey surface, and then you can find some examples as you see. And for sure you can use this platform for free. Or you can head over to this platform that is soundbible.com. Here it gives you free royalty sound effects completely for free. So here you can type something like chalk, paper, glass, and so on, and it gives you some amazing sound effects. Or you can head over to YouTube, and here for sure you can find hundreds of these dedicated videos about sound effects, satisfying sound effects, and so on of any type you look for. So anyway, you can gather different sound effects as you want. And in the last step, just you can gather all these elements of your video clip on using any editing software like CapCut, DaVinci, Canva, and so on, like video clips and sound effects and so on to make your own viral video on social media. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.